Video 11. The top 10 LinkedIn automation tools. Buffer. Buffer is a great tool to direct potential traffic, grow your fan base, and save you the time and money that you're spending on social media platforms. Buffer assists you in scheduling social media updates from Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest, and Google+. You simply need to add the social media platforms where you want to post scheduled updates. The tool drives more clicks and increases website traffic with the right audience. LinkedIn post scheduling is really easy with Buffer to boost your reach and engagement with users. Buffer is available for every type of business, whether it's small, medium, or large. You can go with the free trial, where you will be able to connect with Twitter, LinkedIn, and Facebook. LinkedIn Pulse. LinkedIn Pulse is a LinkedIn application which is really easy to use to read your newsfeed in a professional manner with complete insights that matter to your business. With this app, you can personalize your newsfeed by choosing other networks and LinkedIn influences. This application also allows you to participate in conversions by liking, commenting, and sharing articles you like among your network to enhance traffic to your website. If you publish content via LinkedIn Pulse, it boosts your business's brand awareness and reputation with quality leads. It also increases traffic towards your website. Octopost. Octopost is a great automation tool to manage your social media activities. You can build a plan to schedule content in advance for Facebook, Google+, LinkedIn, and Twitter. This tool permits you to study the analytics for each campaign with clicks, conversion rates, and engagement. This automation tool offers a geo-targeting function for LinkedIn company pages in order to expand your reach with location-based promotions. Octopost updates you about comments and discussions which are ongoing in your networks. It also assists your business with smooth integration with third-party platforms such as Salesforce.com and Market to get analytics and manage leads. Hootsuite. Hootsuite is an automation tool used to manage your social media presence. It assists you in controlling all your social media profiles on a single dashboard. This tool allows you to know who is talking about your business. You can monitor 35 social media platforms such as Facebook, Google+, Twitter, LinkedIn, MySpace, etc. in one place. Analytics reports are also sent to email addresses with detailed information about clicks, geographical location, and referrals. Hootsuite also has a